Everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and enjoying at home. Today we are going to do what? Numbers. Right. And what we are going to do in that? Missing numbers. So come and let's have fun with numbers. Let's see which one is the first number. Which number is this? 1. Which number? 1. And what comes after 1? When we are counting, start counting from 1. 1, 2. So which number will come here? 2. So let's write 2 here. Like this. Now after 2, 1, 2. Which number will come here? Start counting. 1, 2, 3. So which number will come here? Yes, 3. Like this. Okay. Now let's start counting from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 5. So let's write down 5 here. Slant line, go back, curve, and sleeping line like this. Okay. Now start counting from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 what comes? Yes, tell me. Yes, 6. Which number will come here? 6. And after 6, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we will write here? Number 7. And what is after 7? 8. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What will come here? Number 9. So we will write number 9 here. And what comes after 9? Number 10. Start counting from here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So write down 10 here. Like this. After 10 what comes? 11. And which number is this? 11. What will come here after 11? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And how to write number 12? First we will write down 1. And what will come here next? 2. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. Now what will come here? 11, 12, 13. When we are saying 13, this number will remain same here in the front. Like this, 1. And what comes after? What will come here? Which number will come here? 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. Like this. As I have told you that 1 will remain same. So what will come here? 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. So first we will write down 1 and afterwards we will write down number 4. So let's count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, what will come here? 18. So how to write 18? First, which number will come here? 1. So we will write down 1 here. And what will come here next? 8. Yes, we will write down 8 here like this. Start counting again. 16. Start from 11, okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Which number will come? Tell me what we will write here. Yes, 19. And how to write 19? 1, 9, 19. And what will come after 19? 20. Why? When 9 is here, then which number will come here? 0. If 9 is at the last, both the numbers will change. Okay? What comes after 9? 0. Okay? I have said that both the numbers will change. So, in place of 9, 0 has come. And in place of 1, what will come? What comes after 1 then? Tell me. 2. So, which number will come here? Number 2. Now, the series of 1 is complete and series of number 2 has started. So, now after 20, which number will come here? Which number will come? Look, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So, 21 will come here. Now, series of 2 has started. So, it will remain same in the front. And the numbers which are at the back, only that will change. Okay? So, after 21, what will come here? Which number is this? 1. So, what will come here after 1? What comes after 1? When we are counting 1, 2. So, which number will come here? 2. And this will remain same. So, what will come here? Number 2. 22. What it has become? 22. Start counting again. 21, 22, 23. When we are saying 20 again and again, can you listen? We are saying 21, 22. So it means, what does it mean? It means that number 2 will come in the front. When we are saying again and again, which number we are saying first? 20. And 20 is related to which number? 2. So what will come here? Number 2. Okay? And this is number 3. So 21, 22, 23 and 24. We are saying 21st, so it will come first. 2 will come first. And we are saying 4 at the end. So it will come at the back like this. Okay. Now let's see what will come here. We have said 21, 22, 23, 24. Then what will come here? 25. But we are to see carefully that which number will come first, 2 or 5. When we are saying 20 is related to which number? 2. We are saying 20 first, so number 2 will come first, like this. And afterwards we are at the end, what we are saying? 25. 5 is coming at the back, so it will come here at the back as we are speaking. Okay? Like this. Now come to the next number. 25, 26. Now what will come here? 27. So which number will come in the front? Naturally, 2 will come. So we will write down 2. And at the end we are saying 7. So 7 will come here. Okay. Now start again. 26, 27 and next 28. Which number will come here in the front? 2. And what will come here at the end? 8. Like this. Now 29. What will come here? As I have told earlier that what comes after 9? 0. When at the end 9 is written, then both the digits will change. Here also 9 is written at the end, so both the digits will change. In place of 9, what comes after 9? 0. So which number will come here? 0. I have told you that both the digits which will change. After 1, what comes? 2. Okay, 2 comes before, 2 comes after 1, right? So what comes after 2? What comes after 2? See, 1, 2, 3. What is coming at the after 2? 3. So 3 will come here. I hope you have understood it everything and you are going to apply all the things which I have told you. Hope you have enjoyed it too much, right? So that's all from my side. Goodbye everyone.